As the population grows, so does the pressure on Earth. Every day, the world's population continues to grow. More people means greater demand for food, water, energy, and space. But while the population keeps increasing, the Earth's resources remain limited. For most of human history, population growth was slow. However, during the last 200 years, the population increased rapidly, forming what is known as exponential growth or a J-curve. This happened because farming methods improved and food production became more efficient. Technology also helped humans live in different environments around the world. In addition, better healthcare, sanitation, vaccines, and antibiotics reduced death rates and allowed people to live longer. The population is made up of different age groups, such as children, adults, and the elderly. This is known as demographic structure. As the population grows, the demand for jobs, housing, education, healthcare, and transportation also increases. In Malaysia, the impact of population growth can clearly be seen in urban areas such as Kuala Lumpur and Kota Kinabalu. As more people move into cities, the demand for transportation, housing, electricity, and water continues to increase. This often causes traffic congestion, pollution, and pressure on public services. Population growth has caused several environmental issues such as pollution, deforestation, and resource demand and urbanization. One major environmental issue caused by population growth is pollution. As the number of vehicles, factories, and daily human activities increases, more harmful gases and waste are released into the environment. This leads to a poor air quality, dirty rivers, and health problems such as breathing difficulties. To reduce this problem, government can improve public transport systems so more people use buses and trains instead of private cars. Recycling programs and proper waste management should also be strengthened to reduce pollution and protect the environment. Another major issue is deforestation. As population grows, more land is needed for housing, agriculture, and development. In some parts of Sabah and Sarawak, forests are cleared for palm oil plantations and other development activities. This leads to habitat loss and reduces biodiversity in the ecosystem. To reduce this issue, forest protection laws should be strengthened to prevent illegal logging and uncontrolled land clearing. Replanting activities can also help restore damaged forest area. Another way is by lowering the demand for meat products. This is because large forest areas are sometimes cleared to create land for livestock farming and animal feed production. As population continues to increase, the demand for water, electricity, food, and land also becomes higher. If resources are not managed properly, shortages and environmental stress may happen in the future. At the same time, urbanization causes overcrowding in cities, leading to traffic congestion, housing problems, and pressure on infrastructure. To manage the challenges of urbanization and increasing resource demand, several sustainable solutions can be applied. Individuals can help by saving water and electricity, such as turning off unused lights, fixing water leaks, and using energy-efficient appliances. At the same time, government and industries can promote efficient resource use through policies, public awareness campaign, and the development of green technologies. Finally, expanding public transport systems such as buses and commuter trains can reduce traffic congestion, lower pollution, and improve mobility in urban areas. In conclusion, human population growth has led to several environmental issues such as pollution, deforestation, urbanization, and increasing demand for natural resources. However, these impacts can be reduced through sustainable practices, responsible actions, and greater environmental awareness. By working together, we can protect the environment for future generations.